Hi, I am SGS's Performance Factory. You can call me PROF. Around the world, hundreds of thousands of products are purchased by consumers every day. In these crowded global markets, how do you make sure your product stands out from the rest? By making sure it is safe to use and delivers on its promises. Let me show you how I can help. As a versatile and fully automated testing platform, I can assess the performance of your consumer goods. Based on the behaviors of real users. I am equipped with advanced technologies, including advanced algorithms and sensors that allow you to build testing protocols based on how real consumers will use your product. I can drill, cut, polish, close, open, lock, unlock, and more. And I can do this 10,000 times in the exact same way. Whether you sell paints, DIY products, furniture, cookware, detergents, or a wide variety of other consumer products, I offer you an innovative and effective way to ensure your products perform as advertised. I don't want to brag, but I am quite a catch. I offer you unprecedented scalability, repeatability, and reproducibility. This allows you to consistently duplicate my testing protocols in facilities around the world. I offer reliability, impartiality, and consistency when testing products to substantiate performance and durability claims. And there's more. My capabilities allow the rapid building of testing protocols, covering a wide range of products, offering you tailor-made services with short turnaround times. The qualitative data I can give you shows how your products will perform over time. In the world of performance testing, there's very little I can't do. PROF is brought to you by SGS, the world's leading inspection, verification, testing, and certification company. At SGS, we are constantly developing innovative solutions to increase consumer satisfaction. In the end, tested means trusted.